is fun.
Welcome back to Cat Fun 01. Get ready. These cats are about to do what they do best. Nothing planned, just pure cat chaos. 1 second chaos, next second bro vanished like it was just a prank. That paw defense was full effort. Dog response was one-line answer. Courage overflowing on one side, patience running the show on the other. That angry meow sounds like a full speech. Remove this nonsense right now or I'm shutting everything down.
Oh no.
Came in ready for a fight, then started doing his own entertainment program. Thought it's unlimited comfort space. Forgot there's a boundary called edge. That pose says everything. I'm not fighting, I'm not playing, just leave me alone and go your way. That meow at the end felt personal, like, you didn't have to do me like that. Sitting relaxed like he hired a personal assistant.
No, 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 no.
He changed his spot to stay safe, but the one scaring him followed up and did it again.
Oh no.
The cat's down here meowing like, bro, please come down, I got business with you. Walked out like he owns the place, got one angry reaction and instantly remembered his original location. If this made you laugh. Don't forget to subscribe to Cat Fun 01. More funny moments coming soon.